Many say that shoes constitute the foundation of your look, so make sure you keep watching to learn 3 exciting ways to tie knots for a flawless and well put together outfit. How to tie dress shoes the right way. More often than not, many tie their shoes by crossing the right lace under the left one, adjusting it well and making a loop using the left cord, then wrapping it around on the outside. This wouldn't be the most effective way because it would be twisted and easy to undo. With only one small adjustment, the result will be more durable. Instead of wrapping around the loop on the outside, wrap it around the inside and this time pull. This minor modification results in a straight and lasting knot. Surgeon's knot. To create the surgeon's knot, we cross the left lace over the right one. Then, we make a loop with the right lace. Go around the loop on the outside and with the same, go back through the inside. To tighten the knot, create a small twist of the wrist and tighten all the ends at the same time. This knot is quite strong and will not come undone. Bow knot. The bow knot couldn't be easier. Cross the left lace over the right one and adjust. Make a loop with the right lace and with the other one, wrap it twice around the finger. Take out the loop and insert the lace through the place where your finger is positioned and pull then the ends at the same time. This is the most durable knot out of the 3 we have illustrated today.